Hey y'all, Iris here. Welcome back to the channel. Bushcraft Family put out a challenge video a few weeks ago and I'm going to participate because I feel that it is so important and relevant. We are a homeschooling, homesteading, preparedness-minded family and we are for sure on a budget. So I'm going to share with you 5 ways that I'm prepping on a budget. The first thing that I do that allows me to stay on a budget in the first place, and it also allows me to put more money towards preparedness, is that for staple items, I buy in bulk and I cook from scratch. Now, this might seem like a super simple thing, and it is, but it does take time, energy, and work. And that is going to be a reoccurring theme throughout all of the things that I list in this video. They are all simple, but you have to put the effort in to make them work. The second thing that I do is I always shop the sales, and if something is on sale that I know that I'm going to need, I stock up on it while it's on sale. The third thing that I am still learning how to do is shop with coupons. Here in Texas, I shop at H-E-B for our weekly groceries, and they allow me to do an online order. So for a beginning couponer, it's very easy to do an online order because you can see all of the digital coupons that they offer in one spot, and I find that I can save the most amount of money when I order online. I set a goal for myself with every grocery order that I put in, and that goal is to save $20. Another store that I am learning how to coupon at is Dollar General. It's beginner friendly. All of their coupons are digital, and every Saturday they do a 5 off $25 sale. So if I'm free on Saturday, I like to head down to Dollar General and see how much money I can save on things like paper towels, toilet paper, soap, conditioner, over-the-counter medications, things like that. The fourth thing that I do is I preserve perishable items and fresh produce from the grocery store and farmers markets with various methods of food preservation like dehydration, water bath canning, pressure canning, and fermentation. The fifth thing that I'm doing is really taking the time to learn about the plants in my area and learning how to forage those plants. This year we foraged Texas persimmons, agarita berries, Mustang grapes, and prickly pears, and I turned most of those into delicious jelly for the pantry. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that this video was valuable and helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.